How y'all doing? So I wanted to show you guys something I'm working on right now. Well, it's the whole Batman armor set, so we'll see how this comes out. So if you want to follow me, I'll be posting on here as well as my TikTok videos to see how the whole Batman suit comes out to go with the helmet I made. So one thing I wanted to show you guys though is I'm sick of the dust getting in the fan. As you can see, my carbon filter that I put on here is already full of dust. So one cool thing you can do is you can get some carbon filters off Amazon and then just cut them to size, use some double-sided sticky tape and put these on the fan. I'm going to try one on the side fan. I'm not sure if the blades are going to hit it. I don't think so. So we're going to see how that works out too. But for right now I put one on the front because I'm just over all the strings and dust in the fan. So far it's working good. It's pretty like normal. There's enough air flowing through the carbon filter to make it good to go. Everything is looking really good, so check it out. Get some carbon filters for your 3D printer and help that dust not getting in there on all those little strings, so you don't have to pull them out every, like, I don't know, week or so and clean it out. So this could possibly help you out. Check it out. Don't forget to like and follow.